So what I like doing to get this earpiece speaker off, because this earpiece is also connected to the Face ID, so if you break this, you have to get a new one. But what I like to do with this is I like taking it slow. So I'll put the pick right underneath it, right here, and just kind of wiggle the left side up. Sometimes that doesn't work though. So what I'm gonna try to do, because it's kind of stuck on there, is I'm gonna put it in between this little part right here and kind of just slowly try to pry that off. And then we got this little pull tab right here. We're gonna knock that off, boom. Now what I like using the most for these are my hands rather than tools, because tools can break these small cables easier rather than your small little delicate hands can. So I got this, and I'm using a used soft OLED aftermarket screen. This one already has a screen protector. I don't know. So all we have to do is just put the earpiece speaker on it, and then we will be good to go.